So you've probably heard about the keto diet. It's everywhere these days, right? But is it really as good as people say, or is it just another passing trend? Today we're going to chat about the keto diet, bust some common myths, and give you the real facts so you can decide if it's worth trying. The keto diet has taken the world by storm with countless success stories and a massive following online. But with all that buzz, it's easy to get lost in the sea of information and misinformation. Is the keto diet really a magic bullet for weight loss, or are there hidden dangers that people don't talk about? In this video, we're going to explore the science behind the keto diet, debunk some common myths, and provide you with the facts you need to know. Whether you're thinking about starting the keto diet or you're just curious about how it works, stick around. You're in the right place. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is the keto diet? Keto, short for ketogenic, is a high-fat, low-carb diet designed to put your body into a state called ketosis. When you drastically reduce your carbohydrate intake, your body starts burning fat for fuel instead of glucose, which leads to the production of ketones in the liver. These ketones become the primary energy source for your body. But how does this actually work? Imagine your body as a hybrid car. Normally it runs on gasoline, which represents carbs. When you switch to the keto diet, you're converting it to run on electricity, which is the fat. Your body becomes a fat-burning machine, tapping into its fat stores for energy. Now let's address a common concern. How do you match your protein intake on keto? It's a bit of a balancing act. Too much protein and your body might convert it into glucose through a process called gluconeogenesis, kicking you out of ketosis. Too little, and you could lose muscle mass. The key is to aim for moderate protein intake, which typically ranges from 20 to 25% of your daily calories. With the basics covered, let's move on to some of the most common myths surrounding the keto diet. Myth 1, keto is just a fad diet. The truth? The ketogenic diet has been around for nearly a century, originally developed in the 1920s as a treatment for epilepsy. It's not just a passing trend, it has a solid scientific foundation. Myth 2, keto is only for weight loss. Sure, keto is popular for weight loss, but it's much more than that. The diet has been studied for its potential benefits in managing certain medical conditions like type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's, and even cancer. Myth 3, the keto diet is unsafe. While keto might not be for everyone, it's generally safe when done correctly. The key is to stay informed and consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have pre-existing conditions. Myth 4, you can't do keto if you're vegetarian or vegan. This is a big one. Many people think keto is only for meat eaters, but that's not true. There are vegetarian and even vegan keto options available. You just need to be more mindful of your food choices, focusing on high-fat, low-carb, plant-based foods. Myth 5, the keto diet lacks variety in food options. Some people believe that following a keto diet means eating nothing but bacon, butter, and eggs. But the truth is, there's a wide variety of delicious keto-friendly foods out there. From avocados to nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and even keto-friendly desserts, you can enjoy a rich and varied diet. Now that we've debunked some myths, let's get into the facts. Fact 1, keto can help with weight loss, but it's more than that. While weight loss is a significant benefit for many, keto also helps stabilize blood sugar levels, which is why it's often recommended for people with type 2 diabetes. Fact 2, keto has been used for medical purposes. As we mentioned earlier, the keto diet was originally used to treat epilepsy. Today, it's being researched for other potential health benefits, including its effects on neurological disorders and certain types of cancer. Fact 3, vegetarian and vegan keto options exist. Yes, you can do keto even if you don't eat meat. Vegetarian and vegan keto diets focus on high-fat plant foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and coconut products. There are also plenty of keto-friendly protein sources like tofu, tempeh, and seitan. Fact 4, understanding protein intake on keto. As mentioned earlier, getting the right amount of protein is crucial on a keto diet. You want to aim for a moderate intake, as too much can interfere with ketosis, but too little can lead to muscle loss. Fact 5, keto diets can be customized to fit different lifestyles. Whether you're following a traditional keto diet, a vegetarian or vegan keto diet, or even a carnivore version, keto is highly adaptable. It's about finding what works best for you. So how do you get started with the keto diet? Here are a few tips. Start slow. Don't try to go full keto overnight. Gradually reduce your carb intake and increase your fats over a few days to ease into it. Focus on whole foods. Stick to unprocessed, nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens, healthy fats like olive oil and avocados, and moderate amounts of protein. Plan your meals. Meal planning is crucial on keto. Make sure you have a good balance of fats, proteins, and low-carb vegetables in every meal. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is important on keto, especially since you'll lose more water and electrolytes in the beginning. Monitor your progress. Track your food intake and keep an eye on how your body responds. You can use keto strips or a blood ketone meter to check if you're in ketosis. Before we wrap up, it's important to talk about some of the potential side effects you might experience when starting the keto diet. Like any significant dietary change, keto can come with some initial challenges, often referred to as the keto flu. This can include symptoms like fatigue, headaches, irritability, and nausea, typically occurring within the first few days as your body adjusts to burning fat for fuel instead of carbs. But don't worry, these symptoms are usually temporary and can be managed with a few simple strategies. Stay hydrated. Dehydration is a common cause of the keto flu. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water and replenishing electrolytes with foods like leafy greens, nuts, and seeds. Increase your salt intake. On keto, your body flushes out more sodium, so it's important to include enough salt in your diet to maintain electrolyte balance. Ease into keto. Gradually reducing your carb intake over a week or two can help your body adapt more smoothly, minimizing side effects. Listen to your body. If you're feeling overly fatigued or unwell, don't push through it. It might be your body's way of telling you to slow down or adjust your approach. Understanding and preparing for these side effects can help you transition into keto more comfortably, ensuring a smoother and more sustainable journey. To wrap things up, the keto diet is a powerful tool for weight loss and overall health, but it's important to approach it with the right knowledge. We've debunked some of the most common myths and highlighted key facts to help you make an informed decision. If you're considering starting keto, remember to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. And if you're already on your keto journey, keep experimenting to find what works best for you.